Welcome back to Cooking with the Snow Dogs. So last week we asked you guys what kind of cake we should make for Greg's birthday. And you guys picked both. So we're gonna make one now and one a different day. So today we're gonna make Texas sheet cake. So we're getting everything ready. And we've got an extra dog here helping. What are you doing here, huh? And you know what sucks about you being here this time? We're making a chocolate cake, so you guys aren't gonna get to eat any of this. Sorry. Charles and Thor are here, and we are making cake. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
It's so weird with there actually being light behind you while we're working. Okay, let's do this.
Oh my god, you see what time it is? It's like 1:47.
In the afternoon.
Oh, right.
Not in the morning.
Not AM. Huh?
No, not AM.
You know, we decided not to do it at 1:47 a.m.
Alright.
Okay, let's do this.
So first we're going to mix together the 2 cups of sugar.
Oh, yeah, there's some clumps there. I'm fixing it.
And the 2 cups of flour.
Okay, go ahead. We're just mixing the dry.
Yep,
Yes.
pretty much.
Sugar and the flour.
And then we're gonna eat it. It'll be great. Oakley's like, I will eat some margarines. Want some margarines, Oakley?
I don't think you want that. I mean, I'm sure you do.
Oh, do you want some, Thor?
I heard something being offered. Don't want it. I don't know what it is.
Well, you want some margarine? Trust me, I don't think it'll be as good as you think.
No, after that.
2 sticks of margarine. Should I pour this in next?
Yes.
4 tablespoons of cocoa, which is why the dogs cannot have any of this. I'm really sorry, I really am. And then 1 cup of water. And what do we gotta do? Stir it together and bring it to a boil?
Yep.
Rapid boil.
All right, rapid boil. Ready, go. That's gonna get hot fast too, because that stove's amazing. Thor's like, I'm totally gonna eat this stuff. Thor's like, do you need help? I'll help you stir that. I'll clean up anything you drop. Just drop something.
I don't think you can have this, buddy.
I can if you drop it. So Greg is slightly beating 2 eggs to prepare, and our mixture that just looks like, it looks like you want to drink it, but you really don't. We're waiting for this to get to a rapid boil. Hey, are you coming to help too? Oh, I hear it. It's trying. It's trying. You are really into this. You're more into it than the rest of the dogs, huh?
That's how he is when I'm cooking stuff. It's right there at my feet. Like, what are you doing? Can I eat that?
Oakley's like, I'm checking it out too. No tripping over the dogs, you're good. The floor is clear.
It is a rapid boil.
So we've got our rapid boiling chocolate stuff.
Now you gotta stir it in here.
Oh my gosh, look at it go.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm just gonna mix it and then you kind of just do it from there. So that way I don't get your hands.
Did it say to use a whisk or should you be using a spoon?
There's both.
Yeah, James got a spoon. I would try the spoon.
Try the spoon. It's probably going to be thick.
Well, it's gonna. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be a little thick, but this
It's
is
just in here for now.
wow.
Ooh. Alright, we're gonna mix all this together.
Matthew.
Alright, we're spraying the cookie sheet so everything doesn't stick. Using Baker's Joy, which I love. The oven just preheated. I don't think we said that. Preheat your oven to 350. Well, you don't have to do that with Baker's Joy. You just spray it on and
Do
leave
you?
it.
Oh, see, I'm normally used to grease in a pan.
I mean,
I
it still
told you.
works the same way. You're still doing the same thing.
I just want to get it out.
Okay. What do you think? You want to check it out? You want to see what's going on?
Memphis is right there now.
Yeah. Cooking with the dogs. So, today's video has been a little bit more interesting than the others because we got 1 dog, 2 dog, 3 dog, 4 dog. So we get to step around even more dogs. Thor has been very interested in what is going on. He's like, I will eat all of these things. You will, huh?
Can you smell that? Holy
Yes.
cow.
Look at that.
Alright, I think we got to add the other things now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
We
what do we
gotta add
gotta
more
add?
things. Alright, we're adding the next ingredients now that it's all mixed.
This was you said 1 cup?
No, it's a ½ cup of buttermilk.
Oh yeah, ½ cup of butter.
And don't drink buttermilk, it's gross.
No. Butter and milk are both good, but buttermilk is not.
Ew.
Okay. And then you can also use, as bad as it sounds, sour milk, or
Ew.
if you don't have sour milk or buttermilk, you can add a little bit of
Vinegar to milk.
to sour it.
Alright, and then the eggs gotta go in there. So we need 2 eggs, slightly beaten. Go ahead and put them in there. And then we need the rest of that stuff, right?
I think I might switch to this.
Yeah.
And then what is it? A teaspoon of baking soda
And vanilla.
and a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna add that stuff. It looked really good till you put the yellow eggs in there. Now I'm like, I don't
You
know.
just gotta mix that in there.
Yeah, I know, but it looked really good until we put the eggs in there.
It'll look good again.
All right, 1 teaspoon of baking soda,
Ready?
and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Greg is literally standing around Memphis. All right.
Mix that together really good.
Mix it all up, and then we're really just gonna pour it on here. Yeah, we're just gonna. All right. I've never made a Texas sheet cake ever.
I've never made a Texas sheet cake.
Yeah, I never have.
This was always my favorite.
I knew it was one of Greg's favorites,
The
but
problem is it's normally made with walnuts on the top, and I hate walnuts.
Okay.
yeah, we're omitting the walnuts.
Ooh.
Yes.
I could picture that.
We're omitting them.
Okay.
It'll be better without.
We drizzle caramel over it and then sprinkle walnuts on top.
This is the one kind of cake
You
I was
could.
willing to pick the nuts off.
Why? Because they were only sprinkled on top, huh?
All right, we're gonna pour it on. Oh my goodness,
Oh, looks so good.
it really does.
Can we eat it yet?
Just grab a spoon, dive right in.
Can I grab that spatula?
Yeah, that would make it a lot easier because I don't have hands.
All right, so the greased pan, and then how long do we put this in the oven for?
15 probably.
15 to 17 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, your eyes are just like, look at you.
That's why they're so good. It's
You-
'cause it's
you
just
just-
like brownies. And a little neat
I'm
little
sorry,
bit,
you
and
can't
then-
have chocolate. We can make a carob Texas sheet cake. All right, it's going in the oven. Look at them.
Put it on the oven, just put it on the ground.
Yep.
Right there.
Yeah, because it's in the middle. Watch out, Oakley's getting close.
Yeah,
All right,
I forget.
close it up. Start that timer. 15 minutes?
Yeah.
17
I don't know
minutes?
how to do this one.
All right, we'll start the timer.
We
Oh,
got
Alexa doesn't work.
No, Alexa doesn't work. We have no internet. Okay, so we've got 7 minutes left till the cake is done. We got to try to time this correctly. So we're taking 1 stick of margarine and we're melting that. And then that's 1/3 cup of regular milk, not buttermilk.
right.
But look, now it's buttermilk.
Just like that.
And we've got to add 4 tablespoons of cocoa to this as well, and then bring this to a rapid boil. Ooh, so it's this cocoa butter thing again. Cocoa butter is supposed to be good for your skin. Is that what we're making?
Cocoa butter? I don't know if that's
Yes.
the same thing.
Isn't
That's
it-
cocoa butter.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, you eat it and then you get better skin. That's why I have such good skin.
Oh, that's what it
okay.
is. That makes sense.
Just put it on your skin.
All right, so we're gonna mix that together and bring it to a rapid boil. So in this big bowl, we need 3 cups, about 1 pound
Yeah,
of powdered
right now.
sugar.
No water.
We're making the frosting now.
It's,
All right, we got a boiling mixture.
Oh my gosh, of clumpy, nasty, oily.
Well, that's kind of what it was. It's cocoa butter. You're supposed to rub it on yourself. We just discussed that. Ooh. All
I
right.
thought you grabbed it already.
So we gotta mix all this stuff together.
Here, you want this too?
I'm gonna peek at the cake. Holy man. It rose quite a bit.
Yeah, it did.
That should be good.
Yeah, and it'll melt when it hits the hot cake.
That is looking amazing. And smelling amazing, and we're all starving. It's done.
Ooh, don't bump it.
Oh. We did pretty good timing in this. Greg's got the frosting. Jamie's pulling out the cake. Remember, this burner is still hot.
Okay.
Frosting's still warm.
Frosting is still warm. The cake is still warm.
You just got to get it over the hole of the center. Well,
Yeah,
where do you
we-
want to start this way?
Yeah, let's
then?
start this way and then I can...
See where we're going.
So the trick of this is the frosting needs to be a little bit warm, like it is. The cake needs to be warm, and we kind of just drop it all out on there. I know it's weird frosting a cake while it's warm. Oh yeah, I can shut that timer off. Oh wait, I gotta hit clear. I'll wait till you guys are done. So we're gonna get this all out on here, and then we're gonna spread it around.
I'm just going to slowly work it out. You move it wherever it needs to go.
Ooh. It looks so good.
Almost
What do you think, Oakley?
Okay.
Thor's like, just drop a little bit.
Ooh,
Sorry, buddy.
probably it.
All right. Yep.
Oh my god.
Yep. Now you gotta gently spread it around. So the cake turned out amazing. We've let it cool for a couple of hours. Just be careful when cutting it because it's like on the pan.
Okay.
I make grooves in my pan.
Yeah, right.
Don't cut it on that side. We're only cutting this one little square out to make a photo first.
Oh my gosh.
All right, Greg's trying it first.
Actually, here. You have that.
See you later, bye. It is your birthday, so I mean, I guess if that's what you're gonna do, we have to let you.
No, I'll get sick. I tried it once.
It looks amazing. We're all gonna take a bite, and then we have to save the rest to share with others, apparently. All right.
Right about that goes.
Go ahead.
So it'll help the counter, make extra counter.
Good? Perfect? Too much chocolate for you?
It's like a brownie.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a brownie.
It is, but better. Yeah?
Memories.
All right,
Yeah,
no, I gotta
wow.
try it. It tastes like I stuck a fork in frosting.
Frosting, yeah, right.
It's just chocolate and sugar. It's just chocolate and sugar.
It literally just, yeah, it tastes like I stuck a fork in frosting.
That's what it's supposed to taste like. This is why it was my favorite as a
Are you
kid.
gonna try it, Charles? We got you a fork.
Yeah, that's right. Hold on a second.
I like it. I think it's good. Well, I think the cake went over pretty well.
Yeah.
We
it
ate
was delicious.
quite a bit of it. Everybody enjoyed it. And, yeah. You know, you're not supposed to have that much sugar before you go to bed.
No, right.
Of course, nobody else is here. Now we can just eat little bites of it if we want to.
Yeah, right.
So that's it, you guys. That's our Texas sheet cake. Let us know down in the
Never
comments
made one
below. Yeah, we've never made one before. It turned out really good. Let us know down in the comments below if you're going to try making it, and tag us on all of our social media sites. And I think everybody's gone, so it's just you and me. We're going to end this video. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive. Dream big. Looks so good. And we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.
Like fudge.
Yeah, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing.